This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your iPhone 13 runs iOS 16 or later and has adequate battery. This ensures always on is available and won't drain critical power. Once done, plug in power if you'll use intensive features, and then open settings. Navigate directly to display and brightness so you can access the always-on controls without detours. You do this because system-level settings live there, and it prepares you for the immediate toggle and customization steps coming next. You toggle always on to on and immediately watch the preview so you understand how it appears while locked. Then customize what remains visible. Pick lock screen widgets and decide whether notifications show briefly or persist. This balances utility and privacy. Make sure to adjust display settings like dimming behavior and which information is allowed, because those choices affect battery life and readability. Once you set preferences, the phone will demonstrate changes in real time for quick validation. You finish by locking your phone and observing the always-on display to confirm widgets and notification behavior match expectations. This validates your changes. If it doesn't appear, restart the iPhone and recheck display and brightness. Reboots often clear transient glitches. Make sure low power mode is off because it disables always on. If problems persist, reset display settings only, not the whole device, to restore defaults without losing data. This targeted troubleshooting saves time and protects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.